Life in Philly may be fast, but that doesn't mean it's okay to speed. Approximately 53% of Philadelphia's traffic-related deaths are the result of aggressive drivers who speed or fail to properly yield. To help reduce the number of speeding-related injuries, collisions, and fatalities, the Philadelphia Parking Authority has joined the City of Philadelphia as part of their Vision Zero campaign to make Roosevelt Boulevard safer. Partnering with Vera Mobility, the Philadelphia Parking Authority placed speed safety cameras along 8 dangerous stretches of highway on Roosevelt Boulevard. If a vehicle is detected traveling in excess of 11 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, the cameras capture images of the license plate along with a short video of the event. Vehicles traveling 11 to 19 miles per hour over the posted limit will receive a $100 penalty. Vehicles traveling 20 to 29 miles per hour over the posted limit will receive a $125 penalty. And vehicles traveling 30 miles per hour or more over the posted limit will receive a penalty of $150. Help us make Roosevelt Boulevard safer. Slow down, take your time, and drive safely, Philadelphia.